What is it? Show me.
A jet.
It's a jet?
Uh-huh.
Show me the parts of the jet.
These are the two parts. These are two parts of it. And then there's a blue thing at the bottom. Then there's this thing. And then there's this backbone. And then there's this. Then there's this. And then there's this. And then there's this. And there's this. And then the wings.
What's the sound that it makes? That's pretty good jet sound. Where'd you learn to make the jet sounds?
From Lena.
Lino? He makes good jet sounds? Cool.